Hey everyone, my name is Rohit and I welcome you to my channel Worth on Earth. Guys, say hello to the corona free travel tips and tricks. Yes, you can still embark on an exciting adventure in these difficult times. Although it will be a little different, but I request you to watch this video till the end. तभी तो आपको सारी ट्रिक्स अच्छे से समझ आ पाएगी कि आप अभी भी सेफ ट्रैवल कैसे कर सकते हैं। आगे देखने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें और अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर जरूर करिएगा। तो चलिए सफर शुरू करते हैं। There are few points to remember अगर आप अपनी कार से ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं। You have to sanitize your car before the ride to prevent the virus. Wear gloves and use alcohol-based wipes for cleaning the dashboard, steering wheel, seat belt and gear. इसके साथ साथ कार की और भी सरफेस आपको क्लीन करनी होगी, जैसे कि सीट्स, सीलिंग और विंडो ग्लासेस, because these are the most dust surface in the car. There are few points to remember अगर आप पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट से ट्रैवल करते हैं। Sanitize your hands before entering and after exiting the vehicle. Avoid common touch points of the vehicle. Practice social distancing. Wear face shield, mask and gloves. Follow seating guidelines laid down by the government. If any overnight journey, carry your own linen or blanket. Avoid traveling if you are not well. Stock up on sanitization essentials. Buy enough disposable tissues, alcohol-based sanitizers and gloves. Carry ample drinking water and refill at hygienic places only. Hand sanitizers are necessary. Make it a habit to use alcohol-based sanitizers as frequently as possible, preferably every 20 minutes for the best results. Smart packing. Make sure to carry sufficient clothes, scarves and cover-ups. Do not forget to carry handy detergents, sachets and bottles of disinfectant since it is very important to stay clean. Keep washable sandals and slippers with you because COVID-19 thrives on surfaces and regular cleaning is the only cure. The most important thing, mask is the only king. As you will be in close contact with other travelers and locals, so taking certain precautions is necessary. Always keep extra mask with you. Recommended to carry disposable mask. Wear a mask and make sure to change it every 10 hours while traveling. Now let's take the move and travel safe. Go through proper quarantine guidelines while traveling to other states, जिसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है, तो जाने से पहले उस वीडियो को जरूर देखें। Avoid touching your nose, eyes and mouth with fingers. Sneeze and cough into a tissue or inside your elbow. Go digital. Use digital payment app so that you will be able to buy souvenirs while minimal contact with the seller. Use separate bottles and spoon while eating on the way and avoid sharing. Better to carry some disposable dishes. We know these are the difficult times, especially for the travel-hungry souls. However, if we all work together and travel with full precautions by following all the guidelines strictly, then we can ensure the safety. So guys, have a safe trip.